The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Harnessed by the power of innovation and technology, we at REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited are revolutionizing the power sector. Starting in 2007, REC PDCL forayed into the transmission landscape in a major way with the amalgamation of another subsidiary of REC, that is REC TPCL, into REC PDCL for handling high-value projects in power sector. Celebrating more than 18 years of existence, we have marked our footprint in various facets of the power sector, comprising project implementation, project monitoring and management services, technology innovations and the renewable energy development. In the distribution arena, REC PDCL has been in the forefront as a strategic partner in implementing Government of India's flagship programs such as Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Sehaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, Integrated Power Development Scheme and the ongoing revamped distribution sector scheme with the objective of improving the quality and reliability of power supply to consumers. In the transmission sector, REC PDCL is implementing various transmission projects including 220 kV EHV lines in most challenging terrains of Ladakh region, which is India's highest transmission lines. As project implementation agency for smart metering projects, we have successfully implemented smart metering of over 30 lakh consumers and bagged orders for over 10 million consumers. We are also providing end-to-end support to power utilities in regulatory and commercial related matters, including energy accounting. REC PDCL is also the designated agency for the prestigious National Feeder Monitoring System for monitoring power supply hours on real-time basis for distribution utilities across the country. As a premier bid process coordinator of Ministry of Power for tariff-based competitive bidding projects, REC PDCL has successfully handed over 98 SPVs costing around 2,026 billion rupees. With an initial capital of 5 lakh rupees, the net worth of the company has grown to 7.38 billion rupees as on 31st March 2025, supported by a team of 370 experienced professionals. REC PDCL is poised to lead the digital metamorphosis of power sector with technology-powered solutions and innovations and diversifying its business operations into renewable energy segment to attain Government of India's objective of achieving 500 gigawatt non-fossil fuel power generation by 2030. As actions speak louder than words, the company now aspires to achieve a net worth of 10 billion rupees by financial year 27. REC PDCL, fostering growth across power sector.